Do you want to know what the best smartphone for 2020 is? Stay tuned. Hello. So today I am going to be unboxing the Samsung Active 2 smartwatch. Now, it's taken me a while to get onto the smartwatch bandwagon. Just personally, I have some issues about them, the reliability of them. But as you can see, it comes in this square package. And I don't know if you can see that or not yet, but you got this round circle, which looks to be charging pad and charging cable. And you got the watch itself. Let's see. Now, I do like how thin this is. I was expecting something a little bit bigger, but I'm not too sure about these straps. They got a flimsy feel to them. Let's see. Looks like you wirelessly charge it. Okay. Yeah, and there's a little magnet in there too, so that's going to help out a lot of keeping it still while it's charging. So, alright, put it on. I'm just out of the box. It has just a little bit of charge to it. Right off the back, I'm not too happy with how the strap works. Instead of having an extra band for this part right here, I guess they expect you to work its way up in there. But now let's go through the setup installation with my phone. So this is what the Galaxy Wearable app looks like. We're going to open it and get started. Going to pick our device. This is Active Watch 2. I want you to allow permissions. Again, we're going to allow permissions. Now we're going to pair. Looks like we're having some trouble finding it while we're pairing. Let's try again. Try it one more time. Oh, wait a minute. I think I know the problem. The watch is not turned on. So let me turn it on. And then let's scan again. There we go. So now it's pairing. And it's going to connect. And now let's see. It's going to sync apps and updates as it bends together. Okay, this looks like it's going to take a very long time. Okay, so now we're 100% paired, and now it looks like it wants to update apps. And that was the out-of-the-box setup and pairing process for the Active 2 smartwatch. It takes a very long time to completely pair, and then it updates apps after it does that. And then I left it sitting on the charger overnight, but this morning it's working great, and so far so good. Thank you.